Welcome to part 2 of AI employees for laundromats. Now, if you haven't seen part 1, check it out. I got some really good feedback from different laundry owners reaching out. Number 1, people wanted to see more examples of AI phone calls. So in just a couple minutes, I'm going to play 3 videos back to back of actual AI phone calls. So stay tuned. In addition, people wanted to know about the AI knowledge of laundry and about the machine learning. So let me tell you a little bit about that. Number 1, right out of the gates, this AI knows a lot about laundromats. In addition, the people who sign up for AI for laundromats get a questionnaire, very detailed, so the AI will know a lot about your specific business. What makes this really cool is after every single phone call, it could email you the transcripts. You could review it, and you could reply to the email and say, hey, you know what, AI? You should have answered this question this way, or next time answer it that way. And so over time, as you invest in the AI and teach it about what your company culture is all about and how to solve problems, the AI will get smarter and smarter and smarter. So the more you invest in the AI and responding and teaching it the nuances, the better it will be. And finally, we got a lot of questions about integration between the AI that answers the phone and the integration with the Curbside Laundry software. So good news is the integration is moving forward. We are collaborating together. We want this to be able to answer any question that your attendant could answer on wash and fold and pick up and delivery, where it could look up orders inside the Curbside Laundry software. It could actually schedule. All those things are in progress and are being developed. So without further ado, I'm going to play 3 AI phone calls, and you could see firsthand how it handles it. Think to yourself, this is how the AI handled it. How would my employees or answering service handle the same questions? Would it do as good? Would it do better? You decide.
Hi, good morning. Could you tell me what day of the week do you do pickup and delivery?
We offer pickup and delivery services 7 days a week from 7 a.m. to 10:30 p.m.
Does that include weekends?
Yes, that includes weekends, Sunday and Saturday. We're available 7 days a week from 7 a.m. to 10:30 p.m.
And what do you charge price per pound for wash and fold if I live in Manhattan?
For Manhattan, the price per pound for wash and fold service is $2.33. There's also a minimum order requirement of $39.95.
And do you guys charge extra for blankets or comforters?
Yes, we do charge extra for comforters and blankets. There's an additional cost associated with professionally laundering them, as special techniques are required to ensure they're clean and not damaged. The cost for laundering a blanket is $26.25.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You're welcome, Rick. Have a great day, and we'll take care of your laundry needs.
Good afternoon, Dre. Welcome back to Anytime Laundry. How can I help with your laundry needs today?
Did you catch that? The AI knew that the caller's name was Dre. Now, how did the AI know that? From the caller ID, it knew it from a previous conversation. There's no way a human could do that.
I'm just calling to see if anybody was able to review that tape yet.
I understand you're following up on the investigation into your lost agent. I'm checking on the status of that for you. Can you please confirm your phone number so I can look up the details of your case?
402-874.
Checked on the status of your case, and it looks like a team member was supposed to review the camera footage by December 25th and get back to you by December 26th. However, since today is December 28th, I'm going to go ahead and make a note to have someone reach out to you with an update on the investigation.
Hello, this is Bella from Wash Club NYC. I'm happy to help you with your laundry needs today.
Hola, ¿habla español?
Just to confirm, would you like me to switch languages?
Español, por favor, gracias.
Puedo ayudarte en español. ¿En qué puedo ayudarte con tus necesidades de lavandería hoy?
So if you'd like to learn more about the AI for laundromats, use the link in the show notes to go directly to the website, and there's a lot of information there. And by using the link, we make a few bucks, and you will also get 3 months of free service. So pretty good deal. Let's get started with part 2 of the interview with Rick Rome, and we'll be talking about the AI employee for Laundromats.
That's what the AI employee does, and that is why I call it an employee.
What a bargain. Because could you imagine hiring somebody for like pennies on the dollar and you already know they're an all-star before you hire them?
Yeah, it's perfectly said, Matt. I mean, you could not have said it any better. Who wouldn't want to hire a bunch of all-stars for, pennies on the dollar? I mean, it's just, it's unbelievable. Unbelievable.
I was on hold. I had to get a replacement for my debit card. I'm calling Bank of America and I'm on hold for about 20 minutes. And for the whole 20 minutes, it keeps saying over and over again, "Thank you for calling in. We appreciate your business. We'll have somebody talking to you as soon as possible." And I'm like, if you really appreciated my business, somebody would have answered the phone.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking, we're getting the AI system soon at Supersets. We're getting it all dialed in. At our laundromat, we're going to have a better answering service than Bank of America. I mean, how amazing is that?
Yeah, exactly. It's so affordable. It's so worth it. You're keeping your employees happy. You may say, well, they should answer the phones. And guess what? I agree. They should. And they should answer them properly. They should answer them on the first ring. They should sound happy every time they answer. They should also show up for work on time. They should stay open late if the customer is still there doing their laundry. I mean, I could go on a million things they should do. But the reality is, based on our economics of this business, you're not hiring generally a Harvard-educated kid. Okay? So at the end of the day, this is what you get. So if you want to keep that going and that business rolling as smoothly as possible, because disruption in business sucks. I hate it. It's my biggest pet peeve. You want to keep that rolling. I don't have an employee who hasn't been with me for less than 3.5 years. And I have some that have been with me for 15 years. And this is another major reason why I'm able to grow and do what I do.
And I think the employees will appreciate it too, because one of the worst things is when you get interrupted. Your attendants are washing and folding clothes and people go, "Oh, what's the hourly production?" And it's like, well, it depends. Are they fielding the floor? Are they answering the phones? The production levels go so far down and nobody likes being interrupted, but when the phone rings, you quote, have to answer it. And now that's solved. One thing I also want to talk about is the integration with Curbside. AI for Laundromats does a great job fielding all those in-store, how much does machines cost, pretty much every question people call in with. But if you could also talk about, we're real strong on the pickup and delivery. That's all we focus on is wash and fold, in-store drop-off, and pickup and delivery. And really excited to be able to have the AI employee be able to field those phone calls too. So if you could talk a little bit about that integration between your company and ours.
Absolutely. So outside of all the other questions it can answer and does and complete that issue, the next question is about pickup and delivery, right? One of the most important part about pickup and delivery is obviously being able to take the order, being able to place the order, and of course to make sure the order is out and about, right? Our integration with you will allow your AI employee to not only answer the call on the first ring or whatever it is you want, right? It'll be able to look into your database in regards to who's calling, so they know that when Matt's number shows up, because it's in the admin, so to say, it will answer, say, "Hello, Matt, thank you for calling. Would you like to place another pickup and delivery order today?" For example, right? I mean, it could say whatever you want it to say, and you would say yes. And then it would respond back to say, "Would you like the same order as last week, which was 32 pounds of laundry, extra downy, and low dry everything," for example. And you would say, "Yes, that's correct. Great. Our next available window is tonight between 7 and 10. And if that's not good for you, we're available tomorrow from 6 to 8 and 8 to 10 in the evening, whatever your hours are." And it'll tell you, "And would you like the delivery back in 24 hours? I noticed, because you asked for it in the morning, we can do a rush order for you and bring it back that same night. Please know that it will cost an extra $9.95 to do that if that's what you want. If not, it's a 24 hours or longer, whenever you're available," right? So it'll be able to do all that information. It'll place the order into the Curbside system, so it's seamless interaction. No more attendants answering the phone and being like, "Was that pickup today or was it tomorrow? And was it laundry? What was it?" Like, "Oh shit, I got to call them back." So it's things like that. It removes all elements. And again, it streamlines your business, right? So it's going to create efficiencies. And when you create efficiencies, that means you're going to get more work done. And when you get more work done, that means you're making more money, right? So it's really that simple. It's amazing. And I don't want to get too jazzed, but there are some amazing other features that are coming. For example, we have one, and not coming, it's here. When you call and they say, "Hey, what's your address?" and we'll say we're 123 Main Street. Okay, thank you very much. When it hangs up, it'll send a text message to that customer, and it says, "Hey Rick, thank you for calling. I thought you might want a direct link to Google Maps that shows you exactly where we're located."
Completely genius.
It goes on
making
and
it
on.
easy for the customer to find you. They want to find you. You put it on their phone. That's money.
Make it sticky, right? You want them to be sticky. These are sticky. The same way your self-serve customer now is going to get a lot more love from your attendants because they're not rushing to answer the phone and get browbeat. They're going to be in better moods. The owner's going to be in a better mood because he's not getting or she's not getting so many phone calls anymore. There's all these great things that are happening. It's just awesome. I'm excited about everything. I'm excited to work with Curbside. I'm super excited to be partnered with you guys. It's been a long time in the making. I think you sold yourself a little bit short. You're a superstar as well in this business, a definite pioneer as well. Without you, there would be a lot of businesses that went under. So, kudos to you and hats off to what you do. That's the other thing. I think our culture is very similar. We want everyone to do well because we believe.
Yeah, that's the secret.
Yeah,
that's
right?
it right there.
High tide
If other
raises
people
all
will be
boats.
successful, they're going to be loyal because you've helped them reach that success.
Absolutely.
Just want to thank you for being on the podcast. We're excited about the upcoming integrations between your AI employees and our software as well. And we can't wait to implement this at SuperSuds. We're in the progress right now. I've talked to a number of people using your product and they just swear by it. They're like, "Matt, you got to do this." And I think it's going to help out thousands of laundromats across the country.
Absolutely. Thank you. I appreciate it, Matt. And whether you're a single store or you're multi-store, we just did one yesterday, 10 stores. And a car wash. We're very excited to work with you guys, and I really appreciate your time, and I look forward to further collaborations. And this was fun, so I hope you invite me back another time to talk shop. I'm happy to talk about pickup and delivery as well one day.
Yeah, I'd love to learn more about your operations because we have people visiting SuperSuds all the time, and they're just blown away by the back room and the processes, and they learn so much. And I may have to take that trip to New York, check things out.
Come on out. Love to see you. It'd be fantastic.
Thanks again, and looking forward to talking soon.
Thanks, Matt. I appreciate your time.
Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to click like or subscribe because we've got an exciting episode coming up. Somebody just got into the laundry business, but did his due diligence, did his research ahead of time, went with Curbside Laundries, and his wash and fold business is booming. So you want to hear that story. And if you'd like to learn more about the wash and fold and pickup and delivery solution by Curbside Laundries, go to curbsidelaundries.com. And if you'd like to learn more about the AI employees for Laundromat, check out the show notes, click on the link. This is really cool technology.